Have you been living with the deep wounds that have been inflicted by a narcissistic or toxic parent? I'm Dr. Meg Haworth. I'm a transpersonal psychologist, holistic nutritional chef, and best-selling author. And I help wounded icons, adult children of narcissists, to become healed icons, someone who's independent, confident, original, and naturally you. And I want to invite you to this free event that you're going to get so much out of. We're going to be talking about emotions and the impact of emotions on the physical body over time. And since narcissistic abuse and toxic family systems, they use emotions as a way to hurt you, we're going to learn how to use emotions as a way to help you, to help heal you. I'm also going to lead you in an emotional release exercise that you can use over and over again. So you'll walk away from this event with this exercise. So please come and join us. You're going to get so much out of this event. This one short hour is going to be really deep and really informative.